So I'm replacing the ceiling fan here at my dad's friend house. Dennis the Menace. He helped me out. Uh, he had some issues getting the screws in. They was kind of tricky, but we figured it out. Real hot that day too, but everything was cool. I think it was about 100 degrees a day in Philadelphia that day, but everything was cool. Got him in the game. And you can see, bam, look at that. Check him